Hello everybody, today we make cod fish with the Puttanesca sauce. For the ingredient we got the cod fish, and I put salt and black pepper. I got a flake hot pepper, garlic, anchovy, Kalamata Olives, capper, wine, and this tomato it's for my garden. Okay, now this catfish I want to cut for 3 pieces each one. And I do like this. Okay, put it back in the dish. Look how beautiful. Okay, and now we bring on the stove. Okay, now we start with the Puttanesca sauce. We put the gas on. We warm up the pots nice with the oil. I want to warm up the oil first. All right. Okay, we start with the garlic. And we got the garlic over here. At the same time, now you got the anchovy. And already the smell is so good. Alright. Okay, now we use the pepper. Now we got the Kalamata Olives. It's the flake hot pepper. We turn this everything. And the smell is so good already. Oh, the Puttanesca sauce is really good. Now we got white wine. We will evaporate all the wine. Okay, now it's the time for the tomato. Alright. Now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes before we put the cod fish inside. And now it's the time to put a little salt, but not too much salt. The anchovy, it's a salt. We got the capre, but the capre make sure to wash. I was wash. And you got the olives, and I put like this salt, like half a teaspoon of salt, and black pepper. Okay, and we give a nice turn everything together. And now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now the smell is so good that this was cooked for 10 minutes. And now it's the time to put the fish. But when you put the fish, you put a little sauce on the top, and I got the cover. When they start to cook, no move too much the fish. Because this fish is so tender, and you break. You put the piece down, you put the sauce on the top. It stay for 15 minutes, and after you take it out, okay? You don't want to cook too much. Okay, now this you gotta cook on low for 15-20 minutes with the cover on. Okay. Now, once in a while you open up, take the cover off, and put a little sauce on the top like this. Okay, we're done, and now it's time to taste. Nice, beautiful, and the smell is so good. This was cooked for 20 minutes. I want to take one nice piece for me. Don't no shake it too much, because like I said before, this breaks so easy. Now, little sauce on the top. Oh, look nice. Little parsley from my garden, and don't forget my wine too, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this. It looks so good. This fish, it melts in your mouth. Look at that. You don't need no knife for the cord. This cord is so easy. It's so good. And I want to say, salute cincine derivare, and we see next recipe. Salute, cin cin. So good. Good. Bacalà Puttanesca. Beautiful. Thank you very much.